Materials required: newspaper, card sheet, scissors, adhesive, brushes, pencil or pen holder, fabric colors. First, take long strips of newspapers. Now, with the help of a brush, roll them diagonally and make long straws like this. Using adhesive, paste the open ends of the straws to make complete long straws. Similarly, make many such straws. Next, flatten a straw with your finger and coil it to make a circular shape like this. Add more such straws to make a large coil. Now, take a cylindrical pencil or pen holder and cover it with a card sheet and paste its end using adhesive. Now use adhesive to paste this below the card sheet cylinder to make its base. Next, paste flattened straws around the cylinder one by one from the base to the top. Now, coil the flattened straws to make the lid. Push the coil slightly from the center to give a bowl shape to the lid. Next, coil another straw and paste it on the top of the lid to make a grip. Using different colored fabric paints, paint the pen stand suitably. And this way your folded paper container is complete.